Alright, so this is a project long in the works. Probably about half a year of work gone into this. And it's a Nitro converted Redcat Ground Pounder. To my knowledge, it is the first and only of its kind. As you can see, I used a 2.5 engine in there from Traxxas. It's just something I had laying around along with the easy start. Has rear-wheel steering, all that fancy stuff, stock radio. I run 20% just because it's what I've always run this motor on. A really bad exhaust job I've done on this. And of course a lot of tuning, and can't forget that beautiful sway bar. I came off a Sen HL150. You can get them for pretty cheap, so definitely a worthy buy for this, at least for the back. The front not so much. And then I was having problems with cooling just because it's so high geared, so I put a fan on there. I got a battery connected to that, and then right now it seems like we're ready to go again, so let's go run it. But there it is. So up and running. It really needs a new engine now. That motor's gotten really loose in there. But if we could just sort out the few bugs it's got, it'll be perfect. I'm telling you right now, it'll be the best night monster truck in the world. Not quite, but in body.